Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make African Beignets. Mix 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tsp salt, 1 tablespoon yeast, and warm 1 cup water. Stir until combined. Cover dough and let rise until doubled, about 60 minutes. Roll out to 1/2 inch thickness, cut rounds, and fry in oil at 350 degrees F until golden. Drain on paper towels and dust with powdered sugar before serving warm. Keep dough consistency flexible by adding a tablespoon of water or flour as needed. When frying, maintain oil at 350 degrees F and fry in small batches to avoid temperature drop. Use a slotted spoon to flip beignets once they puff and are golden brown on both sides. Drain excess oil on paper towels and immediately toss beignets in powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar while still warm for best texture. And to flavor the beignets, fold in grated orange zest or a pinch of nutmeg into the dough for a subtle aroma. For a lighter version, bake at 375 degrees F on a greased sheet until puffed and golden, about 12 minutes. Serve with honey, fruit jam, or a chocolate dipping sauce for contrast. Leftovers store in an airtight container at room temperature for 1 day. Reheat briefly to refresh crispness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.